Is your small room or apartment always cluttered and running out of space? It's time for the perfect solution. In this video, we'll show you the best 5 Amazon space-saving organizers that will make your bedroom smarter, tidier, and more stylish. From LED beds to rolling carts, each item is practical and perfect for minimalists. Let's get started.
Number 1.
Tired of clutter and tangled charging cords by your bed? Struggling to find storage or charge devices at night? Meet the VASAGLE LED bed frame, your all-in-one bedroom upgrade. Customizable LED headboard sets the perfect mood instantly. Switch between 25 colors, 6 brightness levels, and fun modes. Charge 2 devices at once, USB and Type-C built right in. 4 roomy drawers, storage bags, and side pockets for everything. No more messy floors or lost remotes. Everything's organized. Sturdy steel slats support up to 1,000 palms. No box spring needed. Adjustable headboard fits your mattress perfectly. Assembly is a breeze. Upgrade from chaos to comfort. VASAGLE makes it make sense. Ready to transform your bedroom? Tap to shop now.
Number 2.
Tired of messy, wrinkled bed sheets in your closet? Digging through piles just to find the right set? Sheets get dusty, crushed, or even chewed by pets? Meet MSHOMELY plastic bedsheet organizers, your new storage solution. Sturdy plastic design keeps linens neat, never collapsed or wrinkled. Clear windows on both sides. Find what you need instantly. Waterproof, dustproof, and cat-proof for total peace of mind. Foldable and stackable, maximize every inch of your closet. Leather handles make lifting and moving effortless. Before, clutter and frustration. After, organized, stylish, stress-free. Upgrade your linen storage. Try MSHOMELY today for a tidy home.
Number 3.
Tired of messy, cramped closets and wasted space? Struggling to fit clothes, shoes, or boxes neatly? Traditional shelves require tools and damage your walls. Introducing the BAOYOUNI Expandable Shelf Closet Organizer. Adjusts to your space, wardrobe, kitchen, bathroom, anywhere. No tools, no drilling, install in minutes, damage-free. Heavy-duty design holds up to 20 keys. Store more, worry less. Before, cluttered shelves, wasted vertical space. After, everything organized, every inch maximized. Customizable fit. Expand from 82 to 117 centimeters as needed. Perfect for home organizers, renters, and DIY lovers. Upgrade your storage. Get the BAOYOUNI shelf today.
Number 4.
Tired of messy closets and overflowing shelves? Clothes, bags, and towels always end up in piles. Finding anything feels like a daily scavenger hunt. Introducing MSHOMELY Stackable Closet Organizers. Foldable, stackable, and ready in just 10 seconds. Sturdy plastic holds heavy items. No more sagging bins. Open front design makes grabbing essentials effortless. Slide rail feature lets you pull out baskets easily. Before, clutter everywhere. After, everything neatly organized. Perfect for closets, kitchens, bathrooms, or office spaces. Maximize storage, minimize stress. Finally, space that works. Upgrade your organization with MSHOMELY. Order yours today.
Number 5.
Tired of clutter piling up everywhere at home or work? Searching endlessly for snacks, tools, or office supplies? Messy counters and crowded shelves slow you down daily. Meet the EAGMAK 3-tier utility rolling cart, your new organization hero. Spacious 3-tier design holds everything from books to kitchenware. Sturdy metal shelves support up to 55 kilograms each. No worries. Smooth rolling wheels let you move it anywhere, anytime. Lockable wheels keep your cart stable when you need it. Before, chaos everywhere. After, everything neat, easy to find. Modern, stylish, and fits any room, kitchen, office, garage, or more. Easy to assemble with clear instructions. No stress, no hassle. Upgrade your space today with EAGMAK. Organize smarter, not harder.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.